Awesome. Okay, Candy says, how can one beat them super cheap Chinese sellers on Amazon? It seems impossible. So the way you beat them is by not actually importing those specific products that the factories are competing with. The same with eBay as well. You see the factories selling their product on Amazon or eBay. Sometimes I stay away. However, they're often really rubbish at actually providing sexy branding or logos or anything. So I've seen cases where products that the factories have actually sold with one brand have been given a westernized brand and different packaging, the same damn product, and sold 3 times as much. So the way you compete with them is by anglicizing the product or making them more sexy for the Australian or US market. And it's really the packaging and the presentation is the best way to beat the Americans, to beat the Chinese, rather.